On this problem, we're asked to find b where possible. We're given some numbers in some different bases, so let's look at a. We have 5b in base 8 equals 43 in base 10. Okay, so 43 in base 10 is just 43, common counting. So you don't have to write the base 10, but that's just pointing out that we are in different bases here. Okay, so what we need to do to solve for b is we need to set up each one of these digits and try to write them in base 10. So what does it mean to be 5 in the second digit in base 8? Well, the second digit in base 8 is going to be 8 to the 1 power. And then the first digit, so plus, the first digit in base 8 is going to be b times 8 to the 0 power. Okay, and then that is equal to 43. Okay, when you're doing different bases, your first one is whatever your base is to the 0 power, your next digit is to the 1 power, to the 2 power, so on and so forth. Okay, so we're now in base 10. That's what we've converted this to. So we know that 5 times 8 is 40, plus 8 to the 0 power is 1, so b times 1. Write that out. That's a 1 now. Okay, so b times 1 is just b equals 43. Subtract the 40 from both sides, and we get b is equal to 3. So it is possible. This answer is 53, or 53 base 8, is equal to 43 base 10. Okay, so that was A. Let's look at B. B says we have 9b2 in base 12 equals 1,382, which is in base 10. Okay, so just like we did last time, we need to set up these digits. Okay, I'm gonna write it out this time. So our first digit is a 9 there, plus our second digit is a b, and our third digit is a 12, or a 2, excuse me. Okay, so remember, just like base 8, the first one, or in base 12, is 12 to the 0 power. The next one is 12 to the 1 power. The next one is 12 to the 2 power, and you'd move on if you had more numbers out there. Okay, so given that is equal to 1,382, now this is in base 10. Okay, so this is 144, and if we multiply 144 times 9, we get 1,296. And b times 12 to the 1, or b times 12, is 12b. And then, just like last time, 12 to the 0 power, just like 8 to the 0 power, is a 1. So that last digit is 2, equals 1,382. Okay, combine these two together, and we get 1,298 plus 12b equals 1,382. Subtract the 1,298 from both sides, and you get 12b is equal to 84. And if I divide by 12 on both sides, I get b is equal to 7. So what that tells me is that 972 in base 12 is equal to 1,382 in base 10.